Hi friends, it's clean sheet day at my house, and when I strip my dirty sheets off my bed, I use balance oil. Sometimes I use serenity or lavender, but most of the time I use balance. And then I put 10 drops of that in this dispenser that I get at Oil Life. And I will link that below. And then I fill the rest with water, and then I just spray. It's so simple. It's the cutest little dispenser too, because I keep it here on my nightstand, and then I always have it to freshen my room if I come in and it just is smelling musty, musky. Is it musty or musky? I don't know. You guys tell me. Anyways, to freshen up my room, freshen up my sheets, and the balance is just a calming blend, and so it calms the room. It just makes kind of a serene place when you come in. I also do it in my kids' room. I usually do lavender or serenity in my kids' room because it just helps them have a more peaceful night's sleep. And sometimes, like when we're having one of those crazy days where no one likes each other and can't get along, before bedtime I try to get a book and spray down the bedroom or the couch, whichever one we're in, and try to just bring peace and calm to all of us. And so that's how I do it. Did I mention that usually on clean sheet day, I get my vacuum out and vacuum my mattress? Not always, but a lot of times, because I had a vacuum guy come to my house one day and do a demonstration, and maybe he just totally took me for crazy, but he vacuumed my mattresses, and it was so disgusting. I never thought about doing that, but all of the dust and the skin that sloughs off of you and when you're sleeping in bed, it all collects in your mattress, and you should have seen what he did. It was so nasty. So I'm kind of hooked on that, and that's what I do too. I vacuum and then I spray. I hope you guys like this tip. If not, sorry. But I also, one more thing that I kind of do to freshen my room is I always have a diffuser by my bed. And I usually have lemon in that. If there's not a certain ailment that I'm dealing with, I usually have lemon just to freshen my room. Sometimes if I'm hormonal and I need a little bit more of a pick-me-up, I will put the Anchor blend from the Yoga collection of doTERRA, the Anchor blend in there, and when my alarm goes off in the morning, so does my diffuser, goes on, and it helps just give me a pick-me-up and just kind of balances me for the morning. Anyways, I hope you guys like these tips. Again, if you didn't, sorry. But I will link Oil Life below so you guys can go check out their site because they're awesome. I use them for labels, for education books, for roll-on applicators, for spray bottles, so much. Okay, see you later.